Hello viewers, if you have a tight budget of 25,000 rupees and you want to buy a tablet in Android market, so in that case the best option right now is Mi Pad 7 or Xiaomi Pad 7. Currently there is a coupon discount of 500 rupees with this Mi Pad 7, plus you will get 2000 rupees cashback with credit card of HDFC, so the effective price will be 25,499 rupees. Actually, Xiaomi Pad 7 is a very good tablet. It comes with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor and it has 11.16 inches LCD display with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. You will get 3.2K crystal resolution display with HyperOS 2.0, and also it comes with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, so all the features are actually available in this tablet. Plus you will get artificial intelligence along with Xiaomi Pad 7, so all the features are actually available with this Mi Pad 7. But if you want to edit videos on your tablet, I would rather suggest you to buy iPad 10th generation because that comes with A14 Bionic chipset, and also you can buy Mi Pad 6 under rupees 20,000 if you want a good processor in Android section. If you are a student, you need focus pen to have writing experience on Xiaomi Pad 7, that will cost around 6,000 rupees. I think Xiaomi should have provided the focus pen inside the box free of cost, because that will be an extra expenditure on the part of the users who want to buy this focus pen. But if you have no urgency, I would rather request you or suggest you to wait for few days when the Holi sale will come. Maybe there you can get more discounts and you can avail this tablet under 25 or 24,000 rupees. And if you have already bought this tablet, feel free to share your thoughts regarding this. In my next video, I will try to cover the price or the best price of each and every tablet under 15,000 price bracket. So stay tuned for that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.